These are the pinks I was telling you about. That's the borage, which is good for the pollinators. And I grew the lavender from cuttings. This has all been planted from seed or cuttings. And it's very cold today. We get different birds song in cold weather. Now the crows are more prominent, at least I think they're crows. Cawing. In the background. Hear them? There's a little snail come to say hello. And the buddleia seeded itself somewhere else, so I moved it. And it's quite happy there. This is leucanthemum, which is lovely if you look after it in dry weather. It seeded itself. Spread out without any help from me. I had sage, a lot of sage here. You can see the sage to the left, which is officinalis, it's the healer. If you're good at spotting different leaves, and that was much more prolific before the leucanthemum took over. I've reduced it a bit because it looks a bit messy when it dies down in the autumn. It's a little willow which is recovering from hard pruning. I took it right back this year because it was getting a bit messy. Sweet William. And those little feathery fronds, that's Nigella for the summer. And this is Eremerus, which is a new plant for me, which I've been working with for a few years. This is the second time I planted it, and it's successful this year, as you can see. And that's Oriental Poppy, which I'm trying out as well here in this garden. At the back is the Pisigismia, which is also known as stinking iris. And the snails like that, and that's where I throw my snails. Have a lovely day.